The Boy Who Shared His Lunch. An amazing story. Sam loved his lunch. His mother always packed delicious sandwiches, fresh fruits, and homemade cookies. One day at school, he noticed a boy named Jake sitting alone, looking at his empty lunchbox. Sam saw Jake quietly close it and pretend he wasn't hungry. Feeling bad, Sam walked over and sat next to him. "Want to share?" he asked, offering half of his sandwich. Jake's eyes lit up with surprise. "Really?" he asked. Sam nodded, handing him a cookie too. As they ate together, they talked and laughed. Jake shared stories about his little sister, and Sam told him about his pet dog. By the end of lunch, they weren't just full, they had become friends. The next day, more classmates joined them, bringing extra food to share. Soon, no one sat alone at lunch anymore. One afternoon, Sam came to school and forgot his lunch. Just as he sat down, Jake smiled and handed him half a sandwich. "Now it's my turn to share," he said. Moral: kindness spreads. A small act of sharing can make someone's day and create lifelong friendships. Thank you for watching.